Hi, in this video we will see the property of corresponding angles which are formed when the parallel lines are intersected by a transversal. So we know that two lines can either be parallel or they can be intersecting. If they are parallel lines, then the distance between the two lines always remains the same. For example, let us consider this line L and this line M. If the distance between L and M always remains constant, say 5 cm, we say that L is parallel to M. This is the sign of is parallel to. Or two lines can be intersecting. And when can the two lines be intersecting? When the distance between the two lines varies. If you have a distance of say 2 centimeters at this point and the perpendicular distance between the two lines, here the distance is say 5 centimeter. What do we see? That a line can be extended endlessly. When we extend the line L and M, they actually intersect at this point. So here L intersects M. If I have a third line, say P. P is intersecting both L and M at this point, and P also intersect the L and M at this point. So whenever a line intersects two lines, it is called the transversal. So here P is the line P is called the transversal. They can even intersect the parallel lines or intersecting lines. So suppose we have a line L and a line M, and it's intersected by a transversal P at say point Q and at point R. What are the angles which are formed? So angle 1, this is angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, and similarly the point where it intersects the other line, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. These are the 8 angles which are formed when the transversal is intersecting the two lines, whether they are parallel or whether they are not parallel. Angle 1 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 6 and angle 3 and angle 7. These are called the pair of corresponding angles. Angle 1 corresponds to angle 5, angle 4 corresponds to angle 8, angle 2 corresponds to angle 6 and angle 3 corresponds to angle 7. Okay, these are the pair of corresponding angles which are formed when the transversal intersects the two lines. If the lines are parallel, then the pair of corresponding angles are always equal. Okay, so if you look at the previous example, these are the pair of corresponding angles, and since the lines are parallel, we see that they will be equal. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 5, angle 2 will be equal to angle 6, angle 3 will be equal to angle 7 and angle 4 will be equal to angle 8. And please remember, it happens only when the lines are parallel. Only when the lines are parallel, then only the corresponding angles are equal. Okay, let us quickly do an example. Let me draw two parallel lines, L and M. So I am giving that L is parallel to M. I have a transversal P, and the angle formed by the transversal here is, say, 100 degrees. You have to find all the other remaining angles which are formed by the transversal and the two lines. So let us mark this as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, 4, 5, 6 and angle 7. Since it's given, since line L is parallel to line M, the pair of corresponding angle 100 corresponds to angle 7. So angle 7 is equal to 100. Corresponding angles are equal when lines are parallel. Now we know that 100 and angle 1 forms a linear pair. So 100 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees. They are forming the straight line L. So from this we give angle 1 as 80 degrees. So we found this angle here as 80 degrees. Angle 1 corresponds to angle 4. So angle 4 also becomes 80 degrees. Angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles. Correct? This angle 1 here and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles, and in a previous video we have seen that when two lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle 3 also becomes 80 degrees. Angle 3 corresponds to angle 4, angle 8, I'm sorry. So this also becomes 80 degrees. Also, this 100 and angle 2, these are the vertically opposite angle. So angle 2 again becomes 100 degrees. And angle 2 corresponds to angle 5. So angle 5 also becomes 100 degrees. I hope this much is clear to everyone. That when a transversal intersects two lines, whether parallel or non-parallel, it forms total 8 angles, at each 4 angles each at the point of intersection, and we have seen what are corresponding angles. The pair of corresponding angles are equal only when the lines are parallel. In our next video, we will see the alternate angles which are formed when the transversal intersects the two lines and the co-interior angles. If you have any doubt regarding this video, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.